How to adjust iPad full screen. It's very easy to go ahead and do this. So there's a few different things that we can do. Let's say if I open up something, as you can see, it's not full screen right now. So if I press this little icon on the top left with the little colors, it's going to show these different things. So green is to make it full screen. Yellow is to minimize and red is to completely close out of it. So if I want to full screen it, I could just go ahead and press on the green one. And now it's basically full screen. What I could also do is on the bottom right, I see that little corner icon. I can go ahead and move that around by holding onto it, and I can then just choose exactly how big I want, an application to be on my screen. Let's say I also want to open up something else on the side. So for example, we'll just open up the calendar. What I could go ahead and do is I can move this around and, move it and have both of them open at the same time. But let's say I don't want this. And let's say whenever you want to open an application, it's automatically full screen. Go over to your settings. Go ahead and scroll down until you find multitasking and gestures and switch it to full screen apps instead.